So if Bitcoin can be the new gold, and gold is at currently a market cap of $10 trillion, while Bitcoin is only at $350 billion, it's 3,000% up on your return on investment. Hey guys, Cheng here, and I'm gonna do a stock portfolio update for the last week of December. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, let's open up the app. Let me show you the date. Today is the Sunday, alright, on the 27th December afternoon, close to 3 p.m. Okay, and yeah, this is how it looks like for the past week. All red except for Tesla, okay, which is still on green. Let's have a more detailed look into the portfolio. I'll sort them out by shares. This is how it looks like. Last week we were at $11,160 plus, and this week we are down about $200, okay, and that is close to about 3%, right, over the past week. The past week didn't really have much. It was Christmas Eve half day, Christmas was closed. On Boxing Day after Christmas, 26th of December, it was open for half a day. And yeah, the market was pretty much closed most of last week. I don't think there was a lot going on last week. So let's take a look. Okay, we're down 3%, okay, about $200 from last week. But overall, we are still up $3,000 in total gains, which is what I'm always concerned about, alright, as a long-term investor. So let's take a look at AQB. AQB seems to be doing good. It's up close to 20% from last week. It was around about 12%, and now it's 29.5%, which is not too bad, okay? Quite happy that it's going up. This is something I'm looking at short term. I think I want to get rid of it as it reaches about $10.25. It has reached $10.25 last week, but I wasn't able to get in time to sell. But it's okay, I'm not too worried because as you can see from the graph, it's quite a steady growth upwards. Unlike before, it shot up within a few days. Okay, now it's a steady growth upwards, so I think it will hold its value for a while. Yeah, so I intend to sell when it's close to about $10.25. And if it continues to go up steadily, I might hold longer because percentage gain is actually really good. So why not? My intention of selling AQB is to actually get more Tesla. It's just a short-term thing. While I still don't want to buy Tesla at a current price, I'm just holding on to AQB. Once Tesla has dropped to the price I want to, I most likely sell AQB. Yeah, we'll see in the next week to come whether I will sell AQB or not, but more or less, I think I will have an opportunity to sell and maybe enter Tesla at hopefully 620, right? But we'll see, Next is NIO. NIO is down about 3%, close to 3% from last week, 2 point something. I've been hearing quite a few things about NIO not being a good long-term stock to hold. Look at the graph right now, I can't really tell how it will perform. But in the weeks to come, my current plan is to just hold the NIO stocks that I have, and I will not add any more into NIO stocks. I'll just observe and see how it goes. If I buy or sell any of the NIO stocks, I'll most likely post a story, Instagram story on whatever I buy or sell. So if you're interested, follow me there. I've been hearing a lot from different sources that NIO is too strongly backed by the government right now. So, you know, without it, it may not be such a good stock to hold long term, or it will not even perform very well. Anytime the government pull out, NIO might be in trouble. My conviction in NIO is not as strong as before. I'm a bit worried right now. I will probably hold it for a bit longer to see where it will go. Maybe around the $50 mark or so, depending on how the market is, you know, reacting. I might sell or continue holding the stock. So we have to see in the weeks to come. Right, next is Tesla. Tesla, we are down 7% from last week, but it's still at a very good price. I like to buy in more, but currently I feel like the price is a bit high because I bought it at 467 at my average price, and buying it at 66 something, it's a bit hard for me to do so, but I know that it will continue to go up in the long run. So I'm trying to wait for a good price that I'm comfortable with for Tesla to be at before I buy in. Maybe about $620. I will buy another stock of Tesla, but we'll see how. Okay, I'm not really closely monitoring my two ETFs, which are exchange traded funds like ARKG and ARKK. I'm not really monitoring them closely, so I will not get into details on it. But from last week, ARKG has up 14%. This week I actually saw it was up about 70% in total gain, so I was quite impressed. But it ended the week at 67%. ARKK down 6% this week, so it's okay, no big deal. I'll just hold it. Yeah. Let's take a look at SE. C-limiter is down about 5% from last week. Nothing much actually, in fact. Let's look at the day's gain compared to the total gains. So you can see over here, everything was kind of down except for Tesla, which still holds pretty strong. But yeah, as a long-term investor, these kind of things are just market fluctuations, corrections, and not really a big deal to be concerned of, except for, you know, the long-term future of the company, which is NIO, and we have to see in the weeks to come. That's pretty much it. So that's it for this week's portfolio update. No big change. I'm down 3% from last week. It's not really a big deal. It's just a minimal market fluctuations, corrections. It's expected since Tesla actually went up all-time high last week. People would sell off to make a quick profit from it. It's expected that Tesla will actually go down, and my overall portfolio would go down as well because majority of the stocks I hold are Tesla stocks. Okay, anyway, yeah, really nothing alarming this week. Very normal week. Alright, so some investing thoughts that I have this week is that I might consider getting into Bitcoin. It seems to have a lot room for growth. I will definitely try to get my hands on Bitcoin, maybe in the few weeks to come. But my intention is maybe put in like maybe $1,000 in Bitcoin, see how it goes. I get the feeling that Bitcoin will be something huge in the future. It seems to really have the potential to replace gold. People are saying that Bitcoin is gold 2.0. From what I have, looked up so far, I believe Bitcoin has really room for growth. So if Bitcoin can be the new gold, and gold is at currently a market cap of $10 trillion, while Bitcoin is only at $350 billion, it could easily 30 times if it ever surpasses gold's market cap. And 30 times is a lot. It's 3,000% up on your return on investment. I easily believe Bitcoin has the potential to reach a $1 trillion market cap, which is already close to 3 times, right? At least minimally 2 times. So I'm not too worried about that. In the long run, I believe I'll see it coming. So I'll try to get my hands on it as soon as possible, and I'll create a video on it. The next thing is just Tesla will be staying around the $640 range. So if you're looking to get into Tesla, it's around a good price to buy in. More details can be found on Chicken Genius channel, alright, in this video, so you guys can actually check it out. He's a professional investor. He knows his stuff. In the video, he pulls out some technical analysis too to show you how he gets that number. And Tesla will be staying around the $640 range. If it goes below that, I'll most likely add more Tesla into my portfolio. Yeah, and last but not least, I might consider selling NIO. I'm not sure. I'm hearing a lot of things right now. I'll definitely not add onto NIO anymore. I will just hold it. See how it goes. Yeah, so that's pretty much for this week, alright? No much changes to my portfolio, okay? Just normal market fluctuations. If not, I'm Cheng Yu. I talk about anything along personal finance, self-development, adulting, alright? If you like this kind of content, do follow me, alright? Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, I usually don't ask for it, but I think I should from now on. If you have any questions, do leave them down in the comments below. Also, if you're looking to start investing or switch a brokerage account from something else to Tiger Brokers, do check out the link in my description, okay, or in my Instagram account. All right, link in the bio, and use my referral code to get 5 commission free trades when you trade with Tiger Brokers. That's all I have. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.